If you give a cat a cupcake, what do you think he's gonna do? Huh?
I don't know.
He's gonna eat the cupcake?
Maybe he's gonna leave.
Oh.
And then what he's doing?
If you give a cat a cupcake,
cupcake,
what do you think he's gonna do?
give him a cupcake.
He'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. When you give him the sprinkles, he might spill some on the floor. What the heck? What's he doing? Cleaning up will make him hot, so you will have to give him a bathing suit and take him to the beach. You want to take the meow meow to the beach? Okay, cool.
He's having a fun day.
He'll want to go in the water, but wait, cats don't like water. Look at him. And build a sandcastle too. Then he'll look for seashells by the seashore. He'll find a few other things as well. He'll put them in his pail and try to pick it up, but it'll be too heavy. He decides he needs to work out at the gym. Oh, so he's nice and strong. First, he'll warm up on the treadmill. Then, he'll lift a weight or two. He might even try a karate class. He's gonna be a ninja cat? Very nice. After the gym, he'll want to go to the park. When you get there, he'll see the rocks. He'll climb as high as he can go. At the top, he'll see the lake. He'll want you to take him rowing. He's gonna row on the boat? Very nice. He'll be the captain and you'll have to row. See? You have to do this. Then he'll notice the merry-go-round and want to go for a ride. Look at this meow meow face.
No! Yeah! Meow
This page is stuck. He'll want you to go for a ride too. He'll choose the horse with the purple mane. He'll get on the whale. Whoa, he's on the whale. The whale will remind him of the science museum. He'll ask you to take him there. First, he'll find what's he gonna find?
What?
Dinosaurs!
Yeah.
Then, he'll visit the... What do you think he's gonna visit?
What?
Well, he's already saw the dinosaurs. Now he's gonna visit the Hall of Apes. When the museum closes, you'll be the last to leave. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach. You'll help him gather all his things. Remember all this stuff? You must be nice and strong now.
He's a ninja.
No. Then he'll want to race you. He's gonna do a race with all that stuff. When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes. He might spill some on the floor. Then, seeing the sand on the floor will remind him of the sprinkles. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him some sprinkles, what do you think he's going to want with those sprinkles?
Cupcake.
He'll want a cupcake to go with him. Look at this mess, man. Look at this meow meow in his mess. The end. You want to give a meow meow cupcake?
Okay.